Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 build so you know which keys apply. Create or sign into a local admin account. You need elevated rights. Once done, enable developer mode for easier tweaks. Now open Regedit and immediately export a full backup. This protects you if something breaks. You will edit keys under HKey current user, so make sure you're in the correct hive. Proceed only after the backup completes, and you understand which values you'll change. Now you modify theme keys to override activation limits. In Regedit, go to the Themes path and open the Personalize key. If it's missing, create it. Change apps use light theme and system uses light theme to 0 for dark or 1 for light. You can also set accent color and accent color menu as DWORD with hex color codes to force a color. Once set, restart Explorer or sign out. This applies colors immediately. If changes don't show, double-check hive and value types. To finalize, restart Explorer or perform a full reboot so Windows reads the new registry values. You'll see the color and theme changes without activation. Make sure Windows updates haven't reverted your keys. If colors reset after an update, reapply the DWORD and verify there's no group policy blocking personalization. One key troubleshooting tip. If something breaks, import your previously saved registry backup to restore the system state immediately. Then troubleshoot in a test account before reapplying edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.